Here's my favorite deluxe recipe for bacon, eggs, and cheese. Ingredients: 4 slices thick-cut bacon, 4 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 4 English muffins, or your favorite bread split and toasted. Optional toppings: sliced avocado, hot sauce, fresh herbs. Instructions: in a skillet over medium heat, cook the bacon until crispy. Remove from the skillet and drain on paper towels. In the same skillet, drain excess bacon fat, leaving about 1 tablespoon for cooking the eggs. Crack the eggs into the skillet, keeping the yolks intact. Season with salt and pepper. Cook the eggs to your desired doneness. For sunny side-up eggs, cover the skillet with a lid for a few minutes until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. While the eggs are cooking, butter the toasted bread or English muffins. Place a generous amount of shredded cheddar cheese on each English muffin half. Once the eggs are cooked, carefully transfer them onto the cheese-covered English muffins. Break the crispy bacon slices in half and place them on top of the eggs. Optionally, add sliced avocado, a dash of hot sauce, or fresh herbs for extra flavor. Assemble the sandwiches by placing the remaining English muffin halves on top. Serve immediately, allowing the heat from the eggs to melt the cheese. Enjoy your indulgent bacon, eggs, and cheese sandwich. It's a hearty and flavorful breakfast that's sure to satisfy your cravings.